Hi students, let us continue our lesson. Last time we have discussed about federalism and features of federalism. Today we are going to discuss about coming to the together federation and holding together federation. So let us see what are the points comes under coming together federation. Independent states come together and form bigger unit. There are small states are there, they all come together and they form a bigger unit. Independent states, they come together and they form a bigger unit. This is the main feature of coming together federation. Okay, there are small states are there, they all come together and they form a bigger unity and they are independent states. That is the point number 1. Second point, by this they increase their security. Their security level is high because they form a bigger unit, they all together. All states have equal powers. So each state have equal powers in this type of federation and all are equally strong. So these states who come together and they form bigger unit, these states all are equally strong. Okay, all states equal power and they are equally strong also. These states who come together and they form independent states and they make a bigger unit, they all strong. Which are those countries? Examples: USA, Switzerland, Australia. These are the countries example for coming together federation. So let us know what is holding together federation. The first point is large countries divides its power among various constituent states. So exactly what reverse for the first point of the coming together. Here large countries divide its power and it share to different constituent states. There are small states are there that all share the power by the large countries. Means a big country, it divides its power. There small states makes one bigger unit. But here a bigger country share the power to small constituents of the country. And at least two level of government here, that is central government and state government, or more than that, 1, 2, 3 like that. Central government, below that state government. Central government seems to be more powerful. Here what is the main feature of holding federation? Central government seems to be more powerful here because it shares the power and that is the head of the country. That's why it seems to be a more powerful. Okay, various states have unequal powers. There are so many states comes under the central government and they share the power by the central government and their powers are not equal. Their state's power is not equal. Karnataka power may be different than Tamil Nadu government. Clear? Some states are granted special powers. Some states like Jammu Kashmir, we can see Bihar, such states get some special powers because of geographical reason, economical reason, etc. They will get some different types of, or difference comes in the sharing of power and special power they will get. Which are the countries comes under holding together federations? Means example India, Spain and Belgium. So you have to remember Belgium last lesson while we are discussing power sharing. Okay, so let us go to next another point of the lesson is what is the difference between unitary government and federal government? Unitary means nothing but non-federal government. Okay, the first difference is generally consists one level of government. In unitary government, what happened? There is only one level of government. So you can guess what happened in federal government. There is more than two level of government. In federal government, what happened? We can see two or more than what governments we can observe. So that is the main difference between unitary government and federally government. Here one level government and here more than one, two, three like that some governments. Here it may consist state level government. It may, okay, but in federal government it consists state level of government. Some chances are there in unitary. Third difference, state governments are controlled by central government. Okay, so state governments are under control of central government, where in unitary government. In federal government, what happened? State governments are not controlled by the central government. They have their own power they are having, independent. State government does not have its own power. See here, controlled by central government, that's why not have own power. Here, it is independent, it have own power. Where? In federal government. Clear? So these are the important differences between unitary government, federal government. Okay, once again you observe here one level, here more than one, here state level government, here also, and they are very strong, here not strong. Clear? So these are the points.